No, it's not hustle shoot too much, right?
Does that mean you have to do?
No, no.
Why is he open up? I won't do it. Right, cut it up. Kids.
You won't need them, but you listen to
No, it's up there.
There's not even too much beef, you just won't need them. No. No.
I've cut it up, Michael.
It's fine.
No, it's not hustle. At least sure, like.
What's that?
Oh, he loves you, Stuart.
Have to go
Stuart.
downstairs?
Zico! Christ! Oh, get your ass in my face! Jesus!
Zico, over there.
Holy shit! Come on! Ah! Christ almighty! Christ! Come on! Hey! Jesus Christ!
What's up in there? Zico, what's that?
Oh, Marie! What's his goat?
Watch this guy!
Ah, come on, Zico. Boy. Watch this guy, Zico.
Zico, come on. Go get it.
What's this new wild farm fucking...
Here. Come on, baby.
Hey! Hey!
What's here? What's here? Come on. Come on.
Stop it. Behave yourself.
Zero, go for the meat. Becky goes for the meat.
Go get it, baby boy.
Go get it.
Boy.
Fucking hell.
Baby boy, what's over there?
Fucking hell.
Have to go.
Jesus.
Up. 1, 2, 3.
No, don't.
I thought I should go to sleep.
Another bit.
I've got a shut tail that's worth...
Well, when you fall asleep at party, this is what happens. The dog
No.
treads over you.
It's just the Ross was in the
Where do we shave your head, Stuart?
Don't
Then you'll be
shake your
laughing.
head.
I had...
Stuart, go back to sleep. Get
No,
Zico
hey,
some
listen.
Up.
He says...
Fall asleep at party, this is what happens.
And...
Go. Up. 1, 2, 3.
Go get the beef.
Go get the beef.
It's amazing.
I'll move it.
Oh, shit.
Up.
Mind your mouth.
Go get the beef, baby boy.